All right, this is a screencast to show you guys what the tenure track grade book looks like, what the player record looks like. So this is a spreadsheet page. It's got the player names and your actual names. I have that in white text, so I can't see it, but if I ever need to go back, I can look at it. The next page, oh, also this is where I bring in stuff from the My CSC gradebook. If you go on CSC Online gradebook. If you go on CSC Online, you'll see you have some points in there. All right, this is the sheet that has all the player experience points for our events. We got the meme bonus, we got the scholarly literature, we got the email bonus from class. We have the articles from the weekend. We got experience from weekend bonus. That won't happen very often, by the way. We have the make a meme event, and then we got total experience points. All right, down here we have player name bonuses. So these are all the events and all the bonuses people have. You can see on here where you get it. If you have questions about your score, there's a record of everything. All right, finally, this is where I make the leader list. This cell goes back to this screen and pulls in that information, so everything's always accurate based on the event bonuses page and the XP page. And then finally, once I take that, I put it on the individual leaderboard. I paste the values so I can move around and change things and it doesn't matter. And here is what the individual leaderboards look like before I take pictures of them and send them on their way to the Twitter. All right, that's the end of this screencast. I hope it clears up a little bit about the grading, the scoring for tenure track. And if you have questions about your score, let me know. We have records of everything. All right, peace.